Hey everyone, this is Sue Harrison, Director of Transportation for Michigan City Area Schools. We're looking for a few good people to become drivers for our transportation team, and we've got Ric Federighi here from WIMS, one of our local celebrities. He is going to show you how easy it is to drive a bus.
This is a dream come true. I love buses, some great memories, but listen, you want to join a great team, excellent pay, and yes, there are benefits. You got to stick around, and I can't wait to drive the bus.
I'm Valerie Skiat, the trainer at Michigan City Area Schools Transportation Department. We have a brand new bus here, and we are going to let Ricky drive the bus for the first time.
Oh my gosh, I love the stop sign. It's got these cool lights. This is like so state-of-the-art technology. It's the geek in me, but I love this. Everybody be good in the back. Everybody say woo!
So, how'd you do?
Absolutely unbelievable. I'm telling you, if I can do it, you can do it. So enjoyable. I'm like, okay, I'm one with the world here, bonding with these children. Val was incredible. What a great teacher. I got to go around. I parked the bus, and I'll tell you what really saved me. The 7 mirrors really gave me a calm feeling, safety. The new features are incredible, and I'm just like blown away by, like, I want to be a kid again, right? But if you really, on a serious note, if you're looking for a great job, great pay, check on the benefits, and really you could kind of work your own hours within your guidelines, correct on that?
Correct, yes.
Yeah, absolutely cool. So thank you so much for allowing me. I love it. They all have to have WIMS on the buses, just so you know.
Wonderful.
Have a great day, be safe, and don't forget to buckle up. It's the law, and it could save your life. Here we go. Woo! I love it. Foot on the brake, push that brake down, a little drive action.
You're awesome. You're awesome.
You're a great teacher.